Imagine trying to send money to a friend, but instead of typing their name, you have to memorize their wallet address. Sounds impossible, right? That's the reality of Web3 today. Web3 has a massive user experience problem, complex wallet addresses, confusing setup process, and intimidating seed phrases that are keeping millions of people away from the future of internet. That's why we built WAccess. It is an infrastructure tool that eliminates confusing wallet UX. Instead of impossible to remember the addresses, user gets human readable names such as alice.wchain. So in a single click, you could get your wallet. So let's learn how to create one. First, create on to create wallet button. Type in any name that you want to create. Let's say I'll create Rory. It would check if the name is available or not. Then we'll proceed to continue. Right now, the seed phrase generation takes place after this step. You would see your seed phrase over here, and you could take a snapshot of it or even write it down. I'll prefer writing it down and storing in some place, like really private place. I'll continue this. Okay, so just ask for first word. So my first was column, and my 8th word was swing, and my 10th word was folk. Okay, this is verified. I'll proceed with continue. So you could see your wallet is created, Rory at WChain, and this is the wallet address. You would also copy it from here. So right now the gas estimation that we are seeing it over here is this much. So you will need to fund this wallet to be deployed on chain. We'll fund this. This would take like a couple of seconds. Yeah, so its wallet is funded right now, and yeah, we'll proceed to wallet creation. Yeah, it says wallet's already been funded. Again, couple of more seconds. Yeah, so right now this asks for wallet to be remembered or not. I'll do this. I'll create a 6-digit PIN for this. I have to confirm this. Okay, continue. I'll deny this. Okay, this ask for recovery mail. I'll type it over here. Send code. I'll type the 6-digit code that I'll be receiving on my email address. Okay, just a second. 431. It's 222. Verify. Yeah. Okay, so for recovery we'll use this mail address only. Okay, complete security setup. Yeah, so it's completed. It would be redirect to tutorial. Next, you can also receive tokens with your name, and you could also manage your inventory over here. Go to dashboard. Yep, so this was a wallet that I created earlier. Okay, I'll copy this address just to show how you can send your money to some wallet address. Just a second. Yeah, so I funded this wallet. I'll refresh this, and yeah, you could see 0.5 WCO coins. Okay, I could send this. I had created another account with the name Manak. Yep, so this shows my address over here. I'll send, let's say, 0.2 WCOs. Send it over here. Again, this would take a couple of seconds. Yeah, so it's done. It also says transaction hash. We would see on testnet. I'll refresh this, and yeah, so the balance has been deducted from my account. You could also receive any form of tokens or money on this address. You could also recover your account from this recovery button. We have used email address, so we would be using that only. So we put recover wallet, so we used email. I'll type in my email. I'll send code. I'll type in my OTP that I have received. Verify and recover. Yeah, So my wallet has been recovered. So these are the wallets that I had created with the same email address. So yeah, this was the account that I showed you. Last but not the least, you could see all the name wallet address that were already created on the platform. So these are the name accounts that has already been created. So yeah, that was all about WAccess. Hope you liked it. Thank you.